Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, last working day, Friday, October the 27th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes. And it's binary time. Number 7344. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14, I believe. 14. Yeah, 14. No, I've not counted. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 printed digits. Well, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. And double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one here, no, there, no. And now, well, double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. And now, 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4, the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here, wait, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. And between two O's comes in 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, having troubles, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. Also, you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for today, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.